Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we got here the latest smartwatch from Umidigi. We have here the Umidigi Uwatch Smartwatch. Okay, so we have here, what we got here is the silicone strap version. We got it from gearbest.com. One of the leading websites when it comes to smartwatches, smartband, smartphones, laptop, TV box, and more. Okay, introducing the Umidigi Uwatch. Okay, redesigned and re-engineered to help you stand out from the crowd and stay healthy, active, and connected. So let's have the unboxing of this smartwatch. Okay, let's check out. Okay, we have here the QR code. We have here the Uwatch model, Sport Black. So we have here the smart watch body, circular smartwatch. Let's check out the contents. Again, this is the Umidigi Uwatch. Okay, so it's a bit heavy. Also, we have here a stainless steel body. Okay, contact charging here. We have the heart rate monitor. And so where's the strap? I guess this is a quick release pin strap. No. Yes, that's it. Okay, we have at least two breathable soft silicone strap with stainless steel buckle, and we have here the magnetic charging cable. Okay, let's try. So we have here the power here. Let's try to attach this strap to so we can appreciate the overall design of this smartwatch. Okay, that's it. And then the other one. Okay, again, it is a quick release pin strap. Okay. Again, for the specs, we have a 1.33 inch large screen. Let's check it out. Long press. Okay. Started. By the way, we have a full metal unibody, 2.5D curved tempered screen. So there's a bit of curve in here on the side. Very slim bezel. We have a smart sports mode for this one. And what else? Okay, a circular dial. Let me check. No, I don't think so. The body, the design is circular, but the LCD here is square or rectangular. Okay, 1.33 inch high resolution screen, large enough to easily read out all information that you need. It looks sleek and stylish on all sides, and it also provides a better viewing experience. Full metal unibody with a tempered glass. Okay, let's check out the battery here. Come on. So we have a classic circular design, powerful chipset, the Nordic 52832 chipset, merges barrier breaking performance and power efficiency together. It allows smoother operation and more accurate time elapsing. Okay, so that's the specs. We also have the sports mode, 180 mAh long battery. Okay, 3 hours charging time, 25 days standby time, 7 to 10 days usage. Okay, so we have call display rejection, vibrating alarm, heart rate monitor, sleep monitor, real-time activity. We also have tracker and more. We have at least 3 watch faces here. Let's check it out later. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's go on with the menus. So we have here the main watch face. Okay. Then the next one. So we have here the step counter with the calorie and distance counter. We have the heart rate monitor, long push measure. Again, we don't have a touchscreen interface, but instead a touch key here. Again, watch face, steps, sleep monitor here, heart rate, training, message, long push to the look. We have the shutter, remote control for your camera, smartphone camera. We have the player, Bluetooth connection for your Bluetooth music player or for your music player on your smartphone. And we have the settings. That's it. Okay, let's check on the settings. Long push for other options. Back. Okay, we have here the watch face. Let's check the style number 3. Again, we have the timer. We have the mute the sound off or on. Reset. Power off. Brightness. Okay, back. Again. Okay, let's check out the watch face. Okay, as you can see, we have a new applied watch face. So far, it looks good on the design. Circular. It looks durable na. Sturdy. Not that thick compared to other smartwatches. I like the color here, very sharp. But based on the description, it has a circular watch face now, or circular display. Now let's see, rectangular here. Okay, with a circular body. Long push to measure. Okay. Okay. Again. Checking the BPM. So it's loading, it takes time. Let's wait. 87. Okay. Training. Okay, let's go back to the training. We have walking here, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football, swimming. Wow. So you can wear it during swimming. Let's check out the running. Do we have a GPS? No. So we have here the data for your steps, distance, calorie, as well as the beats per minute of your heart. Okay, so that's it. Long press to stop. Again, let's check. Okay, so that is how you operate this smartwatch. So far, it has a very easy to use UI. No GPS, built-in GPS, but it has a lot of sports mode as well as other options. You can also read your messages, I think, based on the menu here that we checked earlier. Okay, again, let's go back. No touchscreen support, but touch key. Okay, long push to look. Okay, so that's it. The Umidigi Uwatch. Watch out for our second video for the menus of the Umidigi Watch when we downloaded the support app. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Get it on gearbest.com. Bye.